kids, today let's learn to draw a beautiful butterfly. Let's start by drawing a circle. Okay, now draw a long oval shape for its body. Two little dots for its eyes. And a little curved line for its mouth. There you go. Okay, now let's draw its wings. Mark some points like this. This will help you draw the wings properly. The first wing. And the second one. Now the bottom wings. Okay, there you go. Now we should draw some shapes inside the wings. You can draw shapes of your own choice, but I'm drawing 3 circles like this. And any random shape. You can draw triangles or curved lines, anything of your choice. But draw the same shapes in both the wings. There you go, the butterfly is ready. Thanks for watching.